So to replace the knock sensor on a 2009 Nissan Rogue, the sensor is way down in there. You're not even going to be able to see it. If you're coming in from the passenger side, it's going to be right about here, straight down back behind there. You can't really see much. Even if you come in from the wheel well here and you come down here, it's back up. There's your axle, your starter, and then you have your oil cooler, and it's up behind those two hoses. So you're either going to need to take out the oil cooler, which is a pain, or just remove the hoses on top back behind there. See that cord? There's a cord holding the plug on. So another option that you can do is if you take your sensor, and if you can get to the wires, unclip it, and then you can remount the knock sensor onto here. See that hole? If you rebolted it, because what the knock sensor does, it measures vibration on the motor, so it doesn't have to go into that spot. If you can get this mounted on the motor like that, somewhere back there on the actual motor, and then you find the wire connector and get the connector mounted out of the way, you can mount this into a different location on the vehicle, on the motor, because this one is way up there. See it up there? It's up there. That's where it's located, so you either got to remove them hoses or take out the whole cooler or remount it.